The Safe Zone project was developed as a free online resource for powerful, effective LGBTQ awareness and ally training workshops. It has been implemented by over 25,000 educators in over 100 different countries. At Central Arizona College, the Safe Zone workshops are opportunities to learn about LGBTQ plus identities, gender, and sexuality, and examine prejudice, assumptions, and privilege. When you complete the Safe Zone workshop, you will receive a resource packet and display magnet to use in your office or workspace. Any CAC student or employee displaying the sticker has gone through the Safe Zone workshop and wants to communicate to others that they are open to talking about and being supportive of LGBTQ individuals and identities.
I choose to promote a safe space for all students and be a positive impact on their academic and social experiences.
I wasn't aware that there were so many different terms to describe, some that I've never even heard before.
I learned about the discrimination they face.
I've actually had the Safe Zone training quite a while ago, 20 years ago, and then I've refreshed it here at Central Arizona College. And one of the things that it reminds me of is, like, the sign behind me is in my office, and that we're all in this together. And what I want people to know that come here that might identify any way differently is that we are in all this together. And sometimes it's hard to find other people to connect with. So I think the Safe Zones training allows me to keep my mind open to others, but it also hopefully allows others to know to come to me if they need anything, because I don't want anybody who's coming to Central Arizona College to feel alone or isolated like people might have done in the past.
It was nice to see, I hate to even use the word training, but an informative session where people that maybe don't have that dialogue on a regular basis and don't have the immersion in their family and with their family and friends, where they can learn and they can be part of a community that is accepting and loving.
I do recommend the Safe Zone training. It taught me in so many ways to be more compassionate and understanding.
I recommend this training.
I highly recommend the Safe Zone training.
I hope that students can come to something like this to feel comfortable and not necessarily feel alienated about something about themselves.